Alright, so we out here by the stadium, right? By A Mountain, out of the parking lots. Everyone's leaving school. This is crazy, dude. We got 2 monsoon storms in the last week. By the way, sorry I've been gone a while. It's been crazy. Look at this. Look at this. She's smart. She has an umbrella. We're in Arizona. We're not ready for this. Also, like, my car cannot hook in the rain. So that should be fun. Cause, yeah. Traction control is staying on. Otherwise, I'm gonna be in a pole. It'll be in a pole. But hey, car meet tonight. First one in, I think, about a year. Nah, not that long. Maybe 10 months. First one in 10 months. First car meet in 10 months. I'm so psyched. The first one is for first one in forever. Man, it's dripping wet. But dude, it should be a good time. Alright, get back to the house. I'm gonna meet up with like 4 or 5 of my buddies. And then probably roll over there about an hour. Literally just unreal. Forks up ASU. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. And with the vinyl wrapped roof and everything. Oh man, it looks so much better, honestly. It's really dirty right now. Glad I didn't wash you before the rainstorm at least. I guess waxing it would have been pretty cool, but yeah. So many cars out here. It's unreal. My car key go. Jeez. Alright guys, I'm back home, grabbing some coffee. Hit up my buddies to go to the Raising Cane's meet. Unfortunately, I found out the Raising Cane's meet is canceled. Apparently some idiot was doing burnouts in the parking lot, which really sucks because it was at every Thursday night Tempe meet and it was a lot of fun. It was more like underground than Pavilions is. So, and you know when they say some idiot, they know it was a Honda driver. Yeah, usually. Revving burnouts, but in the little front wheel drive. Civic burnouts are pretty sad, honestly. But hey, moving on. I'm not too bummed because honestly, I got something in the mail today that I've been wanting to do for a while. I'm gonna set up a dash command with my car. I love coffee. All right, so excuse me, my house is a disaster. Here we go. I also got something else that you guys are gonna like. Yeah, but first of all, here it is. I don't know if the interface, yeah, the interface is still up. That's what we're gonna mount in there. I think I'm gonna do it over top the other LCD screen, have it just kind of fold down over top. But yeah, car's a mess too. Everything needs to be cleaned. I need a me day, honestly, where I just play with everything. But this will be nice because I've been driving around with this plugged in to clear codes as they come up. Because I'm running Osiris UpRev. I don't know if it's UpRev, but I'm running some kind of flash on this car. The owner before me put it on. And when I fixed the cats, I don't know if you guys have been with me that long, but I was throwing codes and it wasn't getting full power. And when I fixed them, I reset the ECU and it went back to whatever tune it was running. And it's fun. Unfortunately, one of my sensors must be bad because it keeps throwing the codes. It's not a big deal. I checked it out. It's not affecting the performance any when it's off, but when it throws the code, then it kind of throttles me. It basically changes the mixture, air fuel mixture, because it's the front O2 sensor that's causing it. But this thing, now they had these at O'Reilly for like $100. I got one online. It's got good reviews for like $30. So yeah. All right, and it plugs into the OBD2. So here we go. Put the phone there. You guys are gonna like what I got later, by the way. It's more of a, it's a present for both me and you guys. It's pretty sick. All right, so here it is. I don't know if you see that. BAFX products. Sweet. All right, that's pretty cool, honestly. Yeah, just turn the car on. No key. Oh, my key's inside. That's okay, we can talk while I'm doing this. So I'll show you what I got. This is pretty sick. Again, awesome mess. Yeah. So that is gonna be what I'm gonna be shooting my videos with. Full mic, light, everything. So that costs, you know, a pretty penny, but it's gonna be sick. We're actually gonna have some good footage on here. Some good HD car stuff. Anyway, all right. So even though I haven't been shooting videos as much, I've still been working towards the channel in one way or another. Oh, here we go. All right. Well, that looks promising. Let's see if the instructions are useful. Alright, so after some finicky initial setup, that's working. This is working. I got engine load. I can customize this too. I got torque, horsepower, engine load. This one's important. Coolant temperature, map, and short-term fuel consumption. So give it a little blip, a little rev, and yeah. All right, guys, I'm pretty happy. Cool with that. That's actually, it took me like an hour to get this fully set up, so it's not even technically mounted yet. So that kind of blows also. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. Maybe just do that when I'm not driving. I wonder if this is gonna like die on me real quick. I don't know. It's worth a shot, right? That's sick. Yeah. Alright guys, I am super thrilled because I've been wanting to do that for a minute. I'm still gonna keep this just in case I can't clear the codes for some reason, but I should be able to. Alright, well, I feel pretty accomplished. I can't wait to take this camera out and show you guys, but I already got some cool pics with it, and I'm actually going to upload them for a slideshow at the end of this video. So sit back, enjoy. Please subscribe, like the channel, or like the video, subscribe to the channel, you know what I'm trying to say. And I'll be back with more content on the G35. Catch you guys next time there actually is a car meet, which hopefully maybe tomorrow. Go do some shoots or something. Alright, peace out.